Welcome to my YouTube channel Cuisine Errante, which in English means wandering kitchen. We're a family of English expats living in France, and we want to cook some of the traditional British recipes as well as recipes from all around the world using the amazing French ingredients that we have in this area in the north of France. Today we're going to be cooking using this amazing piece of pork belly that we got from the local butchers. You can see here just how big this is. So we're going to cut off the ribs, we're going to cut this pork belly into three, and we're going to do three different recipes with this pork belly. The first one being a porchetta, which is a rolled pork belly that's stuffed with herbs and seasonings of your choice. I'm going to use some chimichurri to give it a little bit of spice, nice bit of flavouring in there. Be sure to like and subscribe all the channels to make sure that you don't miss any of the content that's coming your way. Let's get straight into this porchetta. Cut your pork belly with a butterfly cut like this. Make sure that you can roll it afterwards, and then spread on a mixture of your choice. I'm using chimichurri, which I'll put in the description showing you how to make that. We then roll up the pork so that we can get it nice and tight. The meat goes all the way, and then the fat comes round and we tuck it underneath to make a nice little parcel. Then tie it with some string or put some skewers in the bottom to make sure it doesn't come apart. Bring a pan of water to the boil, add some salt, or in my case some bacon salt, which I will show in a future video. Then place your pork in the boiling water, bring it back to the boil, cover it with a lid. We're going to put this in the oven at 120 degrees for 40 minutes. This will keep all the moisture inside the meat. After 40 minutes, take your pork out of the oven, take it out of the liquid, put it on a wire rack for 10 minutes to dry out. Then we're going to brush on some cooking oil and add some salt. This is going to ensure that we get a crispy skin because it's back into the oven at 250 degrees until the skin looks like this. Now you can see how juicy that looks, you can hear how crispy it sounds, and we just served it with some green beans and some potatoes. That's it, my first recipe, porchetta, whichever way you say it, using that beautiful piece of pork. The rest of that belly we're going to use for some bacon and also for some Chinese char siu pork, which is one of my favourite recipes. So that'll be coming soon on the channel. The videos are only going to get better. We're going to produce more content. I hope you enjoyed the video and hopefully you can stick around for the ride. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I really want to build this into something special. Thanks for watching.